beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. And I'm back, and as you can see in the title, I'm doing mini twists. I did this before 10 years ago in 2012, so I'll put it up here somewhere. One of these sides, you'll see the picture. But anywho, the reason why I'm doing mini twists is because I wanted a protective style, but I wanted something very low maintenance, but with my own hair. I was gonna do crochet braids, but I'm like, no, I don't really want to do that. I want to do some mini twists. I don't know what, I know why I wanted to do it. I saw this girl on Instagram with them, and I'm like, I haven't done mini twists in a very long time. So that's what prompted me to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Last time it took me 8 hours because I did them very small. This time I am gonna do them small. It's probably gonna take me 8 hours. Yeah. But anywho, so my hair is already sectioned off in big twists, and it's freshly shampooed. So I shampooed it with, of course, my first shampoo is the Influence Deep Cleansing Shampoo. This is my shampoo bottle from the salon. So I always tell people to use a deep cleanse first when you shampoo, because all of the product buildup and things like that, because I've been gelling my hair back for a ponytail. And yeah, so always use a deep cleanse or clarifying shampoo, especially if you use a lot of butters and hair creams on your hair. Yes, and if you don't wash your hair often, like you may wait 3 weeks, or you may wash your hair once a month, always use deep cleanse or clarifying shampoo, okay? And then after that, of course, I use my iStyles hydrating shampoo. This was my last wash because, like I said, I had a lot of buildup from gel. So I did 2 deep cleanse and 1 the hydrating shampoo. And since I'm going in twists and I'm going to try to keep these for a while, I did my Eye Strengthen Mud and Mineral Hair Mask to give me a deep treatment. And plus, like I said in my last hair video that I did myself, I've been neglecting my hair. So this mask was needed, okay? So so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna just do a whole video of me twisting, because you know, everyone know how to 2-strand twist. But I'm gonna come back when I'm all done and show you the finished results and tell you what products I used. And yeah, we're gonna go forward. I'll be back. Alright folks, so I am back, and you know what? It did not take as long as the first time I did it. This only took me 3 hours. I'm trying to think why it took me 8 the very first time. I think because I didn't twist as fast as I do now, and I did a little bit smaller sections. These are small, but I think I made them a little smaller. But yes, that's the only 2 things I can. Oh, and another thing is I didn't have my hair sectioned off. I don't think I had it sectioned off like I did this time, because you see I started from those bigger twists and I just did each twist and broke them up into little twists. Now, I didn't count how many I have in here. I just was twisting, okay? But I'm gonna show you what I twisted with. Okay, so I twisted with this Influence Shea Moisture moisture lock. I use this in the salon as well. And then I use this. This is a curl custard. Now, I ordered some sample products from a vendor and they sent me the wrong thing. But so I used it this time. And the reason why I used the curl custard, because I thought that I wouldn't have that much that much shrinkage if I use these two together. But as you can see, the shrinkage is real. Okay, almost to my boob or to my boob. But yes, I thought it wouldn't give me a lot of shrinkage like the styling foam, because I usually twist with styling foam. But I was like, okay, I don't want it to shrink that much. Let me use these two instead. Girl, no. The shrinkage is real, okay? The shrinkage is real. But anywho, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the bandit method to stretch them. And I will record a video. I might make this a mini twist series. So be looking out for that, but don't hold me to that, okay? But a mini twist series, and just show how I style, how I moisturize, and things like that. But yes, because like I said, it's been 10 years since I did mini twist, and I am loving it, okay? This is day 1 because I did it on Sunday. Today is Monday. And yeah, it only took me 3 hours. I watched the rest of Avengers Endgame. I know for Marvel fans, yes, I'm just watching Endgame, okay? So yes, that's what took me through. And yeah, so again, these are my mini twists. And you know what? I'm kind of thinking, should I offer mini twists in the salon? But just with your hair, not with adding hair. But yes, because this, I didn't want to, like I said in the beginning of the video, I think I said it, I didn't want to deal with my hair on a daily, like having to do something to it or pull it up in a puff every day or what have you. I wanted to not put it away, but just a style without having crochets or braids or anything like that I don't have to deal with on a regular. Just get up and go. And you know what? This might be my spring and summer hairstyle, because like I said, I don't be having time to do my hair like that. So this might be the go-to, honey. I just got this pinned back to just be out my face. The edges are slit. And yes, and this was perfect for the gym this morning. This is the perfect natural gym hairstyle, okay? For those of you that work out, that have natural hair, put you some mini twists or find somebody to put mini twists in your hair. It'll make your life so much easier. And for me, I don't sweat that much in my head, but I do sweat a little bit, but it dried right up. But anywho, like I said, I just want to show you guys the finished product. Look at there. And like I said, be looking out for the mini twist series. Comment below if you want a mini twist series. And yes, so I think that's it. So if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. I drop a video every week, or try to drop a video every week. And it's usually on Wednesdays around 12 noon. So that's when I usually post. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok at HERSTYLEZ with a Z15. And all right, folks, I will see you on the next one.